principal and teachers. Today I am going to say something about my Bachpan Play School. I am Ayush Patnaik. I was read in Bachpan Play School for 3 years from nursery to UKG. Bachpan is one of the best schools of our city. I have learned many things from Bachpan Play School. All the teachers very supportive. They taught me good manners and always to be a kind-hearted child. They taught us all the subjects very well. All the teachers very loving and caring. They taught me how to eat food properly. I thank all my teachers and aunties to help me all the time and support me. I am very happy that I was a student of Bachpan Play School. I will always and love miss you all. We love you, teacher. We praise you, teacher. We thank you, teacher, for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन. Thank you.
depend on friends. Friendship is a relation. It gives us freedom to choose our friends. We cannot choose our father, mother, brother, and sister, but we can choose our friends. Our parents and brothers sisters are different age and different from us, but our friends almost same with us. We can share many of feelings with our friends. We can freely move with our friends. Friends are like diamonds, bright, beautiful, and valuable. True friends never leave us in bad time. They always cheer for us. Your parents or friends are my true friends. When I came to school first time, I did not know where is our washroom, with our caretaker auntie, uncle. I always cried, but you helped me in that time. Sometimes I forgot my pencil box. You share your pencils. I never forget you. Have you remembered your annual function? Candy and crayons were so nervous how to dance on stage. Some of friends helped me to dance on stage. We are so enjoyed.
नहीं देंगे तुझे जाने तुझे देंगे नहीं चाहे तुझको रब बुला ले हम ना रब से डरने वाले राहों में डट के खड़े हैं हम यारों से नजरें चुरा ले चाहे जितना दम लगा ले जाने ना तुझको ऐसे देंगे हम जाने नहीं देंगे तुझे जाने तुझे देंगे नहीं दो कदम का ये सफर है उम्र छोटी सी डगर है एक कदम में लड़खड़ाया क्यों सुन ले यारों की ये बातें बीतेगी सब गम की रातें यारों से रूठा है साले क्यों जाने नहीं देंगे तुझे जाने तुझे देंगे नहीं
I will tell about the school. School is a place where we gain education and knowledge. School prepares the students to face the challenges of the world. Every single thing we learn in school helps us in our life. It is the place where we learn to differentiate between right and wrong. It is the place where we learn and grow. Discipline values the most in school. The environment at school motivates children to learn. So, school is called the temple of knowledge. Thank you, ma'am.
I perform a dance for you.
किसी के हाथ में हीरा किसी के कान में हीरा किसी के हाथ में हीरा किसी के कान में हीरा मुझे हीरे से मतलब क्या मेरा तो यार है हीरा Yeah.
उस कविता का नाम है बहुत किया काम अब करो आराम। 1 2 3 4 दोस्तों बनो होशियार। 5 6 7 8 7 उठाओ दोनों हाथ। 8 7 6 5 नीचे लाओ अपने हाथ। 4 3 2 1 प्यारे दोस्तों बनो नेक। बैठे जाओ सब एक साथ, हाथ मिलाकर जोड़ो हाथ। आंख बंद कर ध्यान लगाओ, फिर ईश्वर को शीश झुकाओ। करो प्रार्थना अपने मन में, ज्ञान की ज्योति जले जीवन में। दूर अज्ञान का हो अंधियारा, सुखी बने जग जीवन सारा। धन्यवाद।
School is a temple of learning. I started my school life at Bachpan Play School. It is one of the famous school in Bhubaneswar. The time I spent there was excellent. All my teacher friends are very good. I learned to reading, writing and good manners from this school. Really, I miss all my respected teachers and my old friends. I am very much thankful all my respected teachers who helped me to start my career. I feel proud to be a student of Bachpan Play School. Thank you. Have a nice day. This song is dedicated from all my dear friends. कोई जब राह न पाए मेरे संग आए, के पग पग दीप जलाए। मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार, मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार, जीवन का यही है दस्तूर। प्यार बिना अकेला मजबूर, दोस्ती को मानो तो सब दुख दूर। दोस्ती को मानो तो सब दुख दूर। कोई कहे ठोकर खाए मेरे संग आए, के पग पग दीप जलाए। मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार, मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार।
छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे। हाले हाले झरोके चले खोले, खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे। दबे दबे पाँव जरा चले आओ, ये पल मिलेंगे कहाँ। ये जिंदगी है और क्या, एक चुटकुला हंसते जरा, खफा खफा क्यों है दो। छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे। हौले हौले झरोके चले खोले, खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे। प्यारी प्यारी यादें सारी झोली में तो भर दे बड़ा पप्पा थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरा चोरी थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरी शरी कर ले बोली भारी प्यारी प्यारी यादें सारी झोली में तो भर दे ये जिंदगी है यार क्या एक चुटकुला हंसने जरा खफा खफा क्यों है तू छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे हले हले चलते चले खोले खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे
Right foot up, right foot in, right foot up, and shake it all about. You do the boogie and turn it around. You do the boogie, and that's what it's all about. Left foot up, left foot in, left foot up, and shake it all about. You do the boogie and turn it around, and that's what it's all about. Thank you. Today I am going to share my experience. 5 years ago, I walked into my school. I held my teacher's hand while I said goodbye to my parents. Daddy just saying school is the second home and teacher is the second mother for the children. And I am blessed to have you all as my teachers. They understood my feelings when I was even unable to speak. The unique ways of teaching at school helps me to learn many things. So I want to express my feelings through these lines. As a teacher, you know what to do, what to say, and how to make my day. For all you help, for all you teach, for all you are, for all you do. With respect, I bow down my head to say thank you. All our time has finished in the school, but our smiles will never fade by remembering those memories we have made. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
Dian ko na